Mix thoroughly, mastering this essential cooking phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase used in cooking recipes: mix thoroughly. Understanding this phrase is not only helpful in the kitchen but also a great way to enhance your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in. Mix thoroughly might seem straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. To mix means to combine two or more ingredients together. The word thoroughly implies doing something completely and carefully. When a recipe instructs you to mix thoroughly, it means you should blend the ingredients until they are fully combined and there are no separate parts visible. This phrase is often found in recipes, especially in baking. For example, when making a cake, you might see instructions like, mix the flour and sugar thoroughly. This ensures that the ingredients are evenly distributed, leading to a consistent texture in the final product. It's important to follow this step as it can affect the taste and appearance of what you're cooking. A common mistake learners make is confusing mix thoroughly with mix briefly. While mix thoroughly requires a complete and uniform combination, mix briefly means to combine the ingredients just until they are incorporated, usually for a short period. Understanding this distinction is crucial in cooking and baking. Let's put our learning into practice. Here's a simple exercise. Take two ingredients, like flour and cocoa powder, and try to mix them. First, mix them briefly, and notice how they look. Then, continue mixing until they are thoroughly combined. Observe the difference in appearance and texture. This hands-on experience will help you grasp the concept better. And that's a wrap on Mix Thoroughly. Remember, cooking phrases like this are not just about following recipes. They're about understanding the language and its nuances. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy cooking and language learning! See you in our next lesson.